Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm going to share a very healthy and delicious vegan recipe of spinach and tofu with you. So here I have 225 gram of frozen spinach. You can also take fresh spinach or spinach puree. And here I have 150 gram of soft tofu. You can also take hard tofu or medium hard tofu. And then here I have 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and a half teaspoon of finely chopped red chili. And here I have half medium sized onion finely chopped and 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. With that, I'll be also using salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So let's start cooking. So here in a pan I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil, and into this I'm going to add ginger and chili. I'm going to let this cook for 30 seconds. Now to this I'm going to add onions. I will let this cook for 30 seconds or 1 minute before I add tomatoes. Now that the onions are cooked, I'm going to add the tomatoes. And I'm going to let this cook for 1 minute. So now into this onion and tomatoes, we can add all our spices. So here goes half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice stir, and we are going to let the onion and tomatoes cook with the spices for a couple of minutes. So I let the onions and tomato cook with the spices for a couple of minutes, and make sure to give a stir in between so that it doesn't get burned. So now into this we are going to add our spinach. And you can always adjust the seasoning accordingly if you want to add more chili powder or salt, or all the spices you can adjust as per your taste. So just going to give a nice stir. If required, you can also add some water. At this point I'm just going to let the spinach cook because I think it has enough water. So I'm just going to let this cook for a couple of minutes for now, and then if we require, we'll come back and check later if needed to cook more. So let's come back in a couple of minutes and check. So here, after few minutes, spinach is looking really good and it looks like it has cooked nicely. So into this now I'm going to add tofu. Because I'm using soft tofu, so I have to be very gentle when I'm stirring, otherwise it would turn into a scramble tofu. So that's why you can also buy hard tofu, so don't have to be worried about. But I really like soft tofu. So I'm now going to let the tofu and spinach cook for another couple of minutes, and then spinach and tofu curry is ready. So here guys, the spinach and tofu is now ready. It looks really good and I'm sure it also tastes really good. This is very delicious and healthy, so please try this at home, and you can always add more spinach if you want. I have added whatever I have at home, so I would have preferred to add more. So now this is ready to serve. So here guys, a vegan dish, spinach and tofu for you in no time. So please try this. It's very easy. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and very healthy and delicious. So try these and let me know in the comment section if you like this or not. And if you like it, please like and share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.